First time I came, like I said, we talked about what were options for me. You know, I'm 72 years old, and I didn't want to go into debt at 72. I'm just getting for fancy implants and everything, which of course they can do here. I wanted something that was going to be more affordable to me and my situation, and we talked that out. We talked about my list of things that I wanted with their list of things they could provide for me in a real non-judgmental way, in a kind way. And I cried the first time just like a baby because I felt like I was here and they were helping me. I've gone through the whole thing of impressions and some extractions and working with what I had and adding to that to make sure that I had a nice smile. After we did the x-rays and the complete workup, I came and he assessed me. I knew it was going to probably be a big job because, like I said, I had some teeth that had broken off. I had some teeth that were a little loose in the back. So there were all kinds of problems. So after the initial assessment, and then we discussed after they did the whole assessment and everything, what my options were. And like I said, because money was an option, was a concern for me being retired. And so he talked to me and he really, really studied my mouth and looked at it from every point of view. I knew he's kind of like he's got the artistic thing going on, how he looks at your mouth. And he came up with a plan and asked me what I thought about it. You know, we talked about, he said, do you want something to come out? We talked about all the things, what could stay, what had to be removed. And so finally, we came up with a plan together, that team, that this is what we would do. We would go with these soft partials, upper and lower. I never really thought I'd make it here. It was a lot of worry. I did a whole lot of killing myself and worrying before I even got here. And once I made the decision to come, and how they reacted and treated me made me keep wanting to come back. I knew that they were as committed to me having a nice smile as I was wanting to have a nice smile. I used to worry about where I had to stand in the picture, on whether they're going to see a gap here or there, you know. And so now I'm worried. If you take my picture, I don't care what, you know, candid's okay. It made a complete difference in my outlook. Really, it makes you feel like you can smile and talk to people and without being embarrassed. You know, it's made a tremendous difference in my life, in my quality of my life. It has.